بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله أما بعد. Brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Masjid Al Faruq's Phase 2 construction area. I'm standing in front of our existing masjid, alhamdulillah, and behind me you can see also that the crane has been removed. That's a big milestone that has been achieved, alhamdulillah. And also you can see behind me the stairwells and the elevator shafts that have come up to roof level. So alhamdulillah, lots of progress. Also behind me you can see that the entrance, the new entranceway and the handicap ramp are being formed behind me as well. Now we wanted to show you some other things that have been completed. First of all, if you were to go to the right here, you would be able to access the surface parking. And if you go to the left here, we're going to show you what has been completed of the ramp. So here, the last part of the car ramp slab has been poured. So this is from ground level down to level 1 underground. This was as I said, the last part. So we'll just go around here to show you. Also, the ramp walls at this level have almost been completed. This part of the work over here was done earlier this week. And we see here a recess. What this is we're going to have a heating element from the ground level down to here because it's sloped. Of course, this is to melt the ice and the snow so that the cars don't slip. So this will actually be the garage door across here. And this will, as you can see, we go down to the level 1 parking area and basement. Once again, these walls have been done. And what remains, actually very little, is this ground force slab has to come across all the way here to this, our property line on this side. That's all that remains, alhamdulillah. And we're going to go down here. We are now on level 1 underground. If we continue this way, we'll be able to continue with the ramp going downwards to level 2 and level 3 underground. We've shown you that before. Straight ahead here is the P1 parking level. And we have access doors to the kitchen and to the ghusl further down at the far end. We can show you from this side. So here we're walking into the basement level, and ahead of me is the gymnasium. And a few other things just to show you. We have here an anchor bolt for the steel columns. And here we have what is called a raised floor, because the gymnasium floor is actually lower than the existing masjid's basement level. So, and that's to achieve the height of the gymnasium, but we have to match it up with the existing masjid. So we'll have a raised floor here. We're on the level now of the existing masjid, and actually this is the existing masjid basement. This is actually the sisters' hallway right here, sisters' stairwell. This will be cut open, and also over here where you see the orange lines, this is going to be opened, and this will be accessing right now. It's the brothers' stairwell. There'll be a hallway, and we'll be able to get into the existing masjid. Brothers and sisters, the next step of the construction is the installation of the structural steel, which is the frame of the new building. And as the steel goes up, we'll also be installing the floors, the main floor, as you can see above me, at that level, and also the second floor. This work we hope will start in a few weeks, inshallah, and carry us through the summer. Brothers and sisters, the next step after that is done is for us to build the walls of the new building out of masonry blocks. So all around, as you can see now, this will be built from masonry blocks. So in this month of Ramadan, brothers and sisters, in these last 10 days of Ramadan, please donate blocks for this next upcoming step of this construction of our new building. Each block is only $30 per block. You can donate as many blocks as you want, perhaps for yourself, perhaps for your children, for your parents, for anyone you want, and that way, inshallah, you will double your ajr with just that niyyah. And it is very easy to donate these blocks. Of course, you can come to the masjid any day, inshallah, or you can go online to our website, our homepage, masjidfarooq.com. There you will see a button at the top. It says donate blocks for walls. You click that and you will get the instructions, inshallah. So please donate as many blocks as you can in these last 10 days of Ramadan, and let us accumulate enough funds so that we can sign the contract for this next step after the structural steel and the floors. And Jazakumullah khairan for all your support for this project up to now. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept it as sadaqatun jariyah on behalf of yourself and your family. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The structural steel for the frame of the new building will start to be installed very soon, inshallah. The next step of Masjid Al Farooq's Phase 2 construction is the installation of the blocks for the walls of the new building, inshallah. Please contribute to our Lay Your Own Blocks campaign. We need over 23,000 blocks. Each block is only $30 per block. Please go to our homepage, masjidfarooq.com, and click the yellow Donate Blocks for Walls button, and then follow the instructions.